Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Mystic Elements. Today's a beautiful day, everybody. I want to thank everyone for tuning in and checking us out. And with this unit, y'all, you can be fully self-contained. You don't have to depend on nothing. Purchase you a little piece of property or something, you know what I'm saying, and start to live debt-free. You know what I'm saying? We got your microwave. You got your stove top. Yeah, you got your oven. So you got all kind of stuff. Everything you need in your home that you have in your home now, almost 95% of it you can find in a coach or a travel trailer or fifth wheel. But again, being debt free is the main thing. Look at what's going on in the world today, y'all. Just look. I mean, we got all kind of stuff going on out here, and a lot of people are afraid for their lives because they don't know what's going to happen next. So don't fall into that position. Don't fall into that predicament, being afraid, not knowing what step to take next. Take that step. Do it for yourself. Do it for your family. You guys deserve it. We're falling behind this modern day slavery, working it all crazy, dealing with these headaches, different personality. These people, shoot, some of these people deal with is crazy. They expect the world and give nothing. So again, you guys, do it for yourself. I love it. You got your entertainment system. You got speakers going throughout the unit here. All kind of speakers and stuff going throughout the unit. I have speakers on the outside, outdoor shower. I plan on building maybe something around that outdoor shower. But again, this is beautiful. Beautiful. And just for a little bit of nothing, you guys can do this. All right? So again, stop being afraid. Start thinking outside that box. Start thinking that, hey, I want to do things for myself. And it'll happen. So again, I'm just thankful for every little bit, every little thing. And we wanted to bring you guys along to show you our journey. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Different times, different place, different measures, and we out.